What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel. I had green hair before and it is now faded quite a lot. I've been swimming a lot, I've been washing it a lot, obviously. And now it's to a point where I think I could put these Strawberry Leopard neons in pink condition on it. So that's what we're gonna do. I will say I don't have super high hopes about this, only because I did go on the website and read the reviews, and a lot of them say it doesn't last very long at all. So I will be giving an update after about a week, which I usually wash my hair about 3 times in a week span, so we will see how it's faded and if those reviews hold true for me. I do have very processed ends. Obviously, from about here up is all natural, no bleach, no dye, nothing. But down here has been bleached several times and has had a lot of hair dyes on it, so I don't know if that will help or hurt, but we're gonna find out. So yeah, I'm gonna get my gloves on and get started. I feel like I can't decide which direction to film this at. My hair is just long enough where I could bring most of it around to the front, but then sometimes it's still difficult. I don't know. I've got it all on. I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour as usual and rinse it in cold water and come back to show the results. All right, here is the results. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird. It's early in the morning and the sun shines right here, but I'm working all day, so I don't have time later. It's really bright, it's really pink, and I'm happy with these results as of now. I will give another update here in a minute for the 1 week update, seeing how it fades. Okay, here's the update, and apologies for my greasy hair. I know I need to wash it. Disregard. But this is how it looks after 2 washes. As you can see, the color is pretty much gone, which is unfortunate. It faded very quickly. After the first wash, it was like a pastel rose gold. It wasn't even really like pink, but you still saw like a pink tint, and it kind of looked okay, but it was a far cry from the vibrant pink that it was initially. I really liked that pink. It was really nice, but I definitely agree with the reviews that this is not a long-lasting color. It washes out really quickly, and for some people that might be a good thing. Maybe you want pink hair very temporarily for an event or what have you, but yeah, do not recommend if you're looking for a long-lasting pink at all. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna be a big drastic video for me. I don't want to give too much away, but it's gonna be very different. Watch out for that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. It's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one.